Oh, look at them ribs. Yeah. Alright, we are going to get started with the creamy dill pickle mustard binder. Once we're nice and rubbed in, we're going to hit it with a little bit of that seasoned salt. It's going to get a healthy serving of that honey mustard rub. And then we are going to top things with that dill weed. Once we're all seasoned up, it's going straight down the grill at 225. We're going to use a smoke tube to give it that extra smoke flavor. We're going to cook these guys for about 5 or 6 hours until they hit 200 internal temp. Give it a little bit of that pickle juice, give it some extra flavor, and keep those ribs nice and moist. Next, we're going to get ready to sauce these guys up by grabbing our Carolina sauce and giving it a little bit of that dill weed. Once we sauce these guys up, we're going to give them about 10 minutes on the grill to caramelize, and then they're pulled off to cut.